What's it say? What's that? What letter is that?
A is for apple.
Apple. Good job. Say apple.
Apple.
Okay. Here we go. Ready? What's this one? What letter?
B is for ball.
Good job. What about this one?
S.
No. Try again. What letter? It's right here. What letter?
D.
C.
C is for cat.
Good job, bud. Okay. What letter is...
Is
Oh, that's D is for moose. That is not right, is it?
yeah.
What about this one? What letter is that? That's right. What letter?
E
Yep.
is for
The elephant. Good job. That's a tough one. Okay. Oh, right here. What's this one?
F.
That's right. What letter? Yeah, what F? Okay.
S for focus.
Good job. What about this?
D is for glove.
What is G for? Glove?
Glove.
Yes, you said glove. Good job, bud. Let's try one more. Ready? What letter is that?
I is for game.
Ice cream. Good job. Do you know this one?
D is for doll.
Good job. High five. You are a rock star.